I only go to the semi-annual York train meet in October, but on the Friday of this April 2023 meet, I found this Buy It Now on eBay, which probably had not been posted for very long. It's an American Flyer standard gauge, or wide gauge as Flyer called it, Trailblazer set from 1929. This set has just been unboxed. You didn't need to see that. You won't see this run on a layout in this video either, but I will not take up too much of your time. It seems to me that intact Chicago Flyer wide gauge sets are harder to find than comparable Lionel standard gauge sets. That may be because fewer Flyer sets were sold. The three units in this set have clearly been together since 1929. Both cars have the 6 million happy owners plates. The plates are updated to 7 million and 8 million as the 1930s progressed. The 4011 caboose has no handrails on the cupola roof, which I understand is correct for this set. The engine is also the correct dark red for this set. The passenger box cabs were green in 1928-29. The freight box cabs were this red. The engine has been serviced and repro wheels installed on it. Best of all, this loco is a scarcer deluxe version with a remote control reverse. It's a 4684. 8 in the number on Flyer Electrics indicates a remote control reverse. The reverse isn't working. As you Flyer guys know, these circa 1930 Flyer automatic reverses are pretty complicated. I've had American Flyer wide gauge on and off for years, but as other collectors have testified, I've come late to appreciating how great it is. I suspect that more Lionel will be clearing the tracks in my yard so that more Flyer can come in.